Hey guys, how's it going? Tech Tutorial 0253 here, and I'm going to be showing you how you can create a restore point in Windows 10. So, what you want to do is go to search and type in restore point, and then create a restore point should pop up. Click on that. Then click on your C drive. It would say system, then click configure, then slide this up to around 50 gigabytes, which would mean for like a 900 gigabyte hard drive or 1 terabyte would be 10% of the drive. I'm gonna put it down a little bit. So 40 to 50 gigabytes is recommended, and then click apply, then click OK, then click create, and then name it the date. So right now it is 11/10/2020. Is 2020? No, that's 19. It's not the 19th. It's 10th. 11/10/2020, and create. It's gonna create. Might take a little bit because you allocated a bunch of space. Oops. I'm gonna get a little time lapse here. Alright, so it's been created. Then click on OK. So now you have a system restore point. So when you want to go to restore point, if you go to restore point again, you can go to system restore. And you can choose a different restore point. And you can change, and you can do it to the one you want, like select the manual, then the description is the date. Next. Yeah, and then I'm not going to finish it because I'm not going to. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's video today. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.